short video will help you to log in into the portal. After logging into the portal, you have to change your password according to your will and wish. So I have sent username and password to your registered mail ID. If you check your mailbox, you must have received this type of mail. Okay, so this is what is your username and this is what is the password. I'm just copying the password. Okay, and then click on this website. Click on this website. So a portal will be open like this. Okay, so after entering username and password, click on login. Okay, you will log in into the portal like this. Okay, so here soon after you log in into this, it is asking the current password. Paste the current password and change the, okay, give a new password. Okay, I'm giving a password, a new password. This is completely your wish. New password again you have to type. Okay, after that you click on save changes. Okay, and then you can click on continue. Okay, so now you are into the portal to take the test. Okay, so your courses are going to be, the courses will be visible here, the courses will be visible here, and this is the timeline and this is the courses. Okay, or else you can click on site home. If you scroll down gently, you can see the uh, courses you enrolled. Okay, so this is the objective of this particular course. Okay, you can have a glance at this course objectives and click on this 8085 microprocessor. Okay, so now here advertisements will come here, no problem, don't worry about those advertisements. Okay, site home, and then click on this 8085 microprocessor. Okay, the procedure to start the quiz thing is, the quiz is related to unit 1, so rest all the topics are inactive. I didn't add anything in these things. Okay, unit 1, click on unit 1, click on unit 1. Okay, outcomes of this unit is, you might have learned the computer hardware related details, and which will meet the needs of the processing system. Click on this. This is just a trial for the exam which I'm going to conduct. So what are all the models of the questions you will come across in the exam? So those are discussed here. Okay, class test for performance evaluation. Click on this. Okay, 2 attempts only are allowed here. Okay, so number of attempts are 2. You can attempt once if the time permits. If you want to reattempt the same question thinking that the first attempt went wrong, so you can attempt quiz now. So 8085 microprocessor is a dash bit microprocessor. The weightage of this is, okay, 1 mark, so I'm selecting 1. You can select any question, you can select any choice. This is a single answer, this is a multiple choice question. Next one, true or false. 8085 can division easily compared to any other processor because it is having math coprocessor. It can do division. Is it true or false? Let us suppose it is true. Next, the length of the address bus in 8085 microprocessor is 17. Let us suppose answer is 17. Match the following: AD0 to AD7 You can select anything. You can select anything any number of times. This S0, S1, those signals are status signals. S0, S1. I know this thing. S0, S1 are status signals. So I will not select status signals. I'll select HLP. Something like that. Pure right, pure okay, wrong in this question. Okay, next. Now, this is a drag and drop question. Dash flag is used to identify whether the given number is a positive number or a negative number. You have to choose one among this. Click and drag it and then drop it. Drag and drop. Drag and drop. Just drag it and drop. Drag and drop. And then next page. Label the blocks in the following image. So there are 3 blocks are available here. Okay, answers are there here. You just have to choose TC, timing and control unit, registry block, and then this is serial control block. And then click on next. Now, age rate 5, you have to choose the correct answer which fits in this particular place. Age rate 5 microprocessor is an 8-bit processor, and capacity is also called as word length, and it is a 40 pin IC. RD and write are called as control pins, and these are status pins. They're called as status signals. Okay, it is not compulsory that you should attempt all the things. You can leave, okay, which you don't know. It will have negative marks also. Select the correct statement for 8085 microprocessor. We know the architecture definition. Select one or more. It will have RAM and ROM. Is it correct? No. It has set of instruction designed internally to manipulate data, communicate with the peripherals. Yes. It is a programmed logic device. Yes. It will have 4 ports. It will not have ports. It is designed with 32-bit registers. It will not have other than 8 and 16-bit registers. So these two, I feel them are correct. The finish attempt. My first attempt is over. So if you want to return back and then attempt, you can, or submit all and finish. Submit all and finish. Once you submit, you'll no longer be able to change your answers for this attempt. Yes, I don't want to change. So 4 minutes and 9 seconds you have taken to answer these things. If you want to take the second attempt, so finish review and attempts allowed, re-attempt the question. I felt that age rate for microprocessor is a 8-bit processor, and age rate 5 it can't do division, so false. Length of the address bus in age rate for microprocessor is 16-bit. Next, memory pointer. HL pair is a memory pointer. 80 to 87 is a lower order address bus as well as the data bus. Hold in HLDAR. Direct memory access, S0, S1R, status pins, and ALE is address data demultiplexing. Next. So sign flag will give you the information about whether the number is a positive number or not. Zero flag will tell about zero or not. Carry flag will tell about carry or not. Auxiliary carry and the parent. Next. So block. This is timing and control unit. This is registry RB, registry block, and this is serial control. Next. So 8085 is a 8-bit processor. It's also called as word length. It is a dash pin, 40 pin IC, and called control pins, and these are called as status pins. Next. So it will not have ports, a set of instructions. Yes. It is a program logic device. Yeah, finish. So my attempts are over. I don't want to reattempt the questions. Submit all and finish. So I've done with my exam. So finish review. Back to the course. Okay, this is how I'm going to conduct the test using this platform. Okay, so hope all of you will do nicely, and this test is to check your performance in the first unit. Okay, all the best to all of you. Thank you.